The Stuttering Severity Instrument 4 measures stuttering severity in both children and adults and can be used for clinical as well as research purposes. The SSI-4 can also be used in conjunction with the Stuttering Prediction Instrument for young children to evaluate the effects of therapy.
The testing materials for the SSI-4 include the manual, the examiner record forms, and the computerized scoring of stuttering severity version 2 computer software. The manual includes the normative data as well as the reading and picture plates, which are used as part of test administration. The picture plates are given to both readers and non-readers in order to elicit a language sample in which the examinee could talk about what they observe happening in the picture. The reading passages, on the other hand, are only given to those with a 3rd grade reading level or above. Both samples are used to observe the frequency and duration of stuttering. The examiner record form is where the examiner can record the results of the reading and picture samples, as well as calculate the percentage of stuttered syllables from both assessments. This is where the examiner can score the non-reader frequency computations. The CSSS 2.0 is an alternative and optional way for the examiner to record the frequency and duration of the examinee's stutter. This software is recommended since it is easier and faster to record all the syllables produced by the examinee. It also automatically calculates the percentage of syllables stuttered so that the examiner does not have to compute these calculations manually. There are other materials the manual recommends for this test but does not include in the kit. These materials are especially recommended if the examiner chooses not to use the CSSS 2.0 software, but instead is documenting frequency and durations of stuttering from the speech samples by hand. Highly suggested is for the examiner to record the session with either a video camera or an audio tape. Videotaping the session especially comes in handy to review the examinee's physical commitments, which is also part of the scoring process. The manual also recommends that the examinee use a microphone to talk into when recording. The manual specifically suggests using a lapel microphone. Lastly, it is suggested to have a stopwatch handy to time the duration of stuttering during each sample.
Hi Lauren, how are you?
Good.
We're going to read a passage today. Can you just read this for me?
When the fisherman awoke in the morning, his wife began yelling at him. All you do all day is fish, she said, and we never get to go anywhere. The poor fisherman left the house and went to his boat. He went far out to sea. He sat in the boat thinking about how unhappy his wife was. Soon he felt a heavy tug on his fishing line. He had caught a huge fish. After he got the fish into the boat, he sat thinking again. Suddenly, he heard a strange voice. "Please put me back into the water," said the fish. The fisherman said, "What is that? I must have caught a magic fish." The fisherman thought about all the wishes he would get.
Good job. Now we're going to look at a picture and we're going to talk about it. What do you think of this picture?
It's kind of weird.
What's weird about it?
Well, there's a girl, and she's kind of standing there in her tutu.
What do you think she likes to do in her tutu?
She probably likes to dance.
Good job. What types of animals do you see in this picture?
A horse. A pig.
What about these?
A chicken.
Good job. What else do you see?
I see the dog on a chair.
Good job. What about this up here?
Some kind of animal that's standing on the roof.
Do you know the name of the animal?
A goat.
Good job. What are the animals doing in this picture? Let's start with the horse.
The horse is standing. He's wearing a hat.
What else is he wearing?
Sunglasses.
Good job. What about the pig?
The pig is flying.
Good job. What about these?
They're eating.
Okay. What about the goats?
I think they're eating too.
Good job. What else do you see that's out of place in this picture?
It looks like a spaceship.
What else?
There's a chair outside.
What is this?
A basket.
Good job. Do you see anything else? What is she feeding the chickens?
Hot dogs?
Good job. What would you change about this picture to make it more like real life?
Well, the pig shouldn't be flying. The chair should be inside.
Good job. What about the horse?
He shouldn't be having sunglasses on.
And what about the girl?
It's kind of funny she's in a tutu.
Good job. That's it for today.